Hey, everyone. Welcome back today. We're diving into a unique beauty tip, eye exercises to make your eyes look bigger, more expressive, and super attractive. If you want that natural eye lift without makeup, these exercises are for you. Plus, you can find video examples for these exercises easily on social media. Ready? Let's go. Exercise 1, the eye opener. First, we have an essential exercise called the eye opener. This one targets your upper eyelids and muscles around your eyes, helping to widen your gaze naturally. Here's how to do it. 1. Place your fingers just under your eyebrows. 2. Gently press your eyebrows upwards while trying to close your eyes slowly. 3. Hold this position for about 5 seconds, feeling the stretch in your upper eyelid area. Repeat this 10 times for best results. This exercise can naturally lift and make your eyes look more awake and bigger. Exercise 2, eye roll for toning. Next, we have the eye roll, which is excellent for toning all the muscles around your eyes. Here's what you do. 1. Sit or stand in a relaxed position. 2. Look up, then slowly roll your eyes in a full circle, going clockwise first. 3. Repeat this movement counterclockwise. Perform this exercise for 5 to 10 full circles in each direction. It's fantastic for eye muscle toning and increases blood flow, giving you a refreshed, brighter look. Exercise 3, the eye squint. The eye squint is simple yet powerful for defining and lifting your eye area. This exercise is especially great for those who want to target fine lines around the eyes. Here's how to do it. 1. Gently close your eyes halfway. 2. Squeeze your lower eyelid upwards as if you're trying to smile with your eyes. 3. Hold this position for 5 to 8 seconds, then release. Repeat 10 times, and you'll feel the workout. This exercise strengthens your lower eyelids, giving your eyes a more sculpted and defined look. Exercise 4, eye blink control. Blinking with control isn't just about relaxation, it can help with eye size and definition. Here's the technique. 1. Blink very slowly, pausing halfway. 2. Hold that half blink position for 2 to 3 seconds, then close your eyes completely. 3. Repeat this process for 10 controlled blinks. Practicing this helps activate your eye muscles and brings out a more open and defined eye shape. Exercise 5, eye focus shifting. Our final exercise is focus shifting, which works wonders for not only your eye muscles but also for boosting your focus. Here's how to do it. 1. Hold your finger about 8 inches from your face. 2. Focus on your finger, then shift your gaze to an object at least 10 feet away. 3. Return your focus to your finger and repeat. Do this 10 times, and feel the muscles working. This exercise gives your eyes a balanced, rested look by working the eye muscles. And there you have it, 5 easy, professional exercises to make your eyes bigger, brighter, and more attractive. Remember, consistency is key. Practice these exercises every day, and soon you'll start noticing the difference. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips. Let's keep those eyes shining.